Peace, blessings, and love, family. This is Elder Rasan Shakur out of the great city of New Orleans, Louisiana, coming to you with another great and informative video. Peace, blessings, and love to all the melanated family and mankind. Well, family, this video is going to be about the apple don't fall from the tree. And what I mean by that, these orc beings, these reptilians that's running around doing this evil and sinister stuff to our women, men and boys, and girls. They are the same people that came here in 1619, raping, robbing, stealing land, burning our churches down, throwing our babies for alligator bait, raping our women, separating our children. The apple don't fall from the tree. And they're showing their true colors right now. And we must protect ourselves, family, at all costs. Any means necessary. They are not playing. They are showing their true colors. They have no remorse, no compassion, no empathy for the melanated family. Not none. And they're showing it to you every day. Look what happened in Dallas. Murder, murder, murder. Cover up, cover up. Let's wake up, family. The time is now to unite. The time is now to unite against this evil force. A very evil and sinister force. That's right, family. Peace, love, and happiness to all the melanated family. Although listening to this video, please subscribe, put up the likes and shares, and watch yourself, family, at all times, because the devil is busy 24/7, every hour, every minute, and every second to try to eliminate and destroy us. Peace and love, and I'm out.